Welcome back to Moto Chronicles, and today we're going to take a look at the KLX 300. Hopefully I can give you a few ideas. You'll see a few of the upgrades that we put on the bike, and you get an opportunity to see the soft bag system with the little racks that I put on there. Maybe it'll give you some ideas. All right, enjoy the ride. Let's get into the mods. TST LED signal lights up front. Next we have our Cerberus handguards. They fit beautifully on the KLX 300. The handlebars are by Pro Taper, and we have a Kawasaki handlebar pad. We have our GoPro mount and our double take mirrors. On the underside, we put a nice Tusk skid plate. As soon as we could, we changed those foot pegs. We put on pivot pegs, and they move, and they're very, very strong. The side crash bars are by Precision Racks out of California. They're great for pannier supports. Used in conjunction with the Precision Racks, they fit beautifully on the KLX 300. The Yoshimura exhaust, this was a slip-on. Sounds great. It improves performance slightly. No complaints from me. And then next, the Seat Concepts low seat. Moving on, we go to the TST fender delete system. Has an integrated tail light and signal lights with an adjustable license plate. We installed the trickle charger so we can keep that bike powered up over the cold weather. And all of this really makes a difference on the trails. And as we move forward, the rack is a perfect system to set up to use my Giant Loop Fandango tail bag. And that bag fits nice. It sits low and lean. Really a nice fit. And I really like the way the Giant Loop works with the KLX. Just everything is so clean. Very durable. Outstanding. Next thing I put on the bike was the Coyote soft panniers. They are the smallest bags that Giant Loop has. They fit really low and tight to the bike, keeping a low center of gravity, keeping it tight, staying narrow. On the back of the Coyote, I've mounted the zigzag handlebar bag. That's really what that bag is. That bag is for the handlebars, but I just mounted it through some of the loops on the panniers. Overall, it was outstanding. I had to use climbing slings that I mounted to the frame, and that's where I tie my Coyote bags to. I like the way that fits better. It keeps everything lined up evenly on both sides, and it's nice and clean. Overall, I have to say, I've taken this out on the trail as you see it. I like it a lot. It's a great bike.